How do you use TICO and AppearTV?
TICO is an essential component in our solutions for contribution and distribution, and it provides a magic 4:1 reduction in video bit rates without the drawbacks of a conventional codec. So minimal latency, minimal hardware resources required, so density isn't impacted, and we can provide a very, very high density for our customers.
Which challenges does your product solve for your customers?
Many of our customers are trying to deal with uncompressed video at increasingly high bit rates, such as 12 gig for UHD. TICO provides a magic 4:1 compression ratio that makes things like UHD or even 1080p far easier to handle and adapt to current networks that they already have in place.
Which benefits does TICO bring over uncompressed?
Well, compared with uncompressed video, you get this magic 4:1 compression ratio, reduction in bandwidth, and that is key, without the drawbacks of a conventional codec. Of course, JPEG is an alternative, which we also support and has valid use cases, but then you are talking more hardware resources, so lower density and more cost, and also you're now talking about an incremental increase in latency. So TICO, you can almost forget that it's a codec. You can almost treat the video as uncompressed, with the network conditions being more relevant than the delay in the codec itself. And that is a sweet spot that many customers are looking for.
What's your opinion on the industry transition to IP, and what role does TICO play in that?
Well, IP is an international distribution medium for data, and broadcasting and the transmission of video is all about sending data now that everything's in a digital world. But of course, video, the amount of data you're talking about can be enormous, 12 gigs for a UHD channel, and very often that's just not realistic. So the role that TICO plays is providing this essential 4:1 compression ratio without imposing the constraints of a traditional codec. And this is enabling broadcasters to use IP more with other technologies that, of course, we've introduced in the product as well. And they want to do that to implement new flexible ways of working, to break the constraints of a physical cable within a single site, which is what SDI imposes. And so these new workflows and business models that can be introduced enable them to do content production and distribution more efficiently than ever before. I'm David Mitchinson. I'm Solutions Manager at AppearTV, and AppearTV is a TICO Alliance member.